Khana is very, very good, and if it's something that you want to treat yourself to, that's also...
That makes all the difference. She loves it herself, she believes in it, and you heard her. Her friends are stealing it. I think it's going to take over India.
I have to take a few more, by the way, home today. I feel so bad having to ask the brand.
For another one.
Well, now that I have this product, honestly, it's very easy for me because I keep it in my bag, or you can keep it in your car. For me, I'm on set all day, and when you're on set, you're usually waiting around for your shot to happen. So it's quite convenient that I can have it and I can use it in my vanity. But it's really important actually that you start caring for your feet and take that seriously, because you can develop a lot of problems as well. If you haven't, if you don't moisturize it, if you allow it to get hard and you allow it to get rough. So being someone also who's continuously rehearsing for choreographies and dance videos and wearing heels, coming to events, this is something that I actually have taken on very seriously. And it is about having beautiful feet. We wear open-toe sandals, and it is important that I think people don't look at your feet and go, oh, they look at it and go, oh, nice.
Jacqueline, I wanted to know from you how our food and diet is associated with our smooth and soft, supple skin as far as legs are concerned.
Definitely, I think diet comes in the picture when you're talking about skin. Overall, I mean, you have to maintain a healthy, clean diet. I mean, for me, I know the number one thing is I always try and eat clean. That's always kind of been my motto. And by eat clean, I just mean that, eat foods that have nutrition, that won't harm you. If, foods actually can affect your moods, so I mean, it's really important to understand that, because it's so simple actually to incorporate these things into your diet. And once you do, it's not even about weight, it's just about eating well, because these uplift your mood, they make you feel better, they give you more energy. And just try and remember to always just eat clean. Ghar ka khana is very, very good, and if it's something that you want to treat yourself to, that's also fine. But just make that 20% maybe, make it 80%, the good stuff. And it plays a huge role on skin, because I'm someone who has to maintain my skin. I mean, you cannot hide from what people see on screen. So it's something that, we have to pay a huge importance to. And so for me, it's always about eating those foods that I know, foods and fruits and greens that I know will reflect really well on my skin. Yes, I was running from one role to another. My poor feet, I had to have a pedicure every day. But the funny thing is, I mean, it's a double role, but both the roles, I do a lot of dancing. And especially with one character, I'm in heels all the time. So even when I was doing some tango scene with Ranbir, my heel broke, and I was in that heel for hours. So actually, it was amazing that I could actually, have something like this, because, I didn't have to worry about the cracks and, the rough skin and all of that, because it goes away with this. And, you need I think your feet need to be taken care of, because especially for us as well, I mean, people who, not even just for us, but for everyone, we have to we have to be standing all the time. We have to either be dancing all the time. So, but yeah, it was exhausting. If that is your question, it was very exhausting.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Well, I think for me, it's the most important thing is I follow a very, very simple routine. Moisturizing is very important. We have to remove our makeup. We have to be very specific about removing our makeup at night. But I think for anyone, even if you're someone who doesn't wear makeup, it's important to remove all the pollution that gets on your face. Moisturizing is very important. Actually, the Shawls Velvet Smooth Express Putty actually even comes with a moisturizer that's really amazing, because it's specifically designed and for the feet and to moisturize the skin over there, which gets very dry. But we all think, living here in a very kind of exotic climate, we don't have to worry about moisturizing, because it can be quite humid. But moisturizing is very important, and keeping your face clean is also very, very important.
What is the one thing which you are more conscious about? Is it your makeup, your footwear, or exactly what is the one thing which you are most conscious about?
Foot care is very important because, we are always either in some open toe kind of sandals or we're in pumps. But that freedom to kind of know that you can wear whatever, any shoe that you want, any style of shoe that you want to wear is very important. And it's your presentation. So people do notice these things, and you have to be aware of it. So presentation to me is very important. Being hygienic is very important, the foot care hygiene is also extremely important. That is something that needs maintenance, but it's definitely worth it. But so I think we need to realize that taking care of ourselves and being presentable is very important.